Good morning and welcome to today's pre-market video. If you're just joining for the first time, I do this every day before the NGX opens. The NGX is a Nigerian equity market and it opens at 10 a.m. West African time while it closes at 2:30 p.m. West African time. So essentially, I just do this to share my thoughts on stocks I've been watching, and I think stocks that maybe broadly the market will be watching before trading opens. Thank you to everyone who's taking out the time to like, share, subscribe. If you haven't done so, please do so. You don't have to wait to the end of the video to like or subscribe. Doing so, and in addition to that, also put on your notifications. That way you get notified or you receive a pop-up on your device when there's a new video coming out. It also helps grow the channel. So the more engagement you have, the comments, the likes, the shares, the more YouTube presents this content to more eyeballs. As always, please note that content is not investment or trading advice. They are not stock picks. They are not trading signals. Please do your own research. Criteria for my watch list: price and volume movements. For the daily watches, that is my primary criteria. Now the weekly watch list, you can find out if you check my playlist, you can see weekly watch list there, and that's more encapsulate maybe more fundamentals. But for the daily watch list, it's more about what stock traded large volumes, what stock traded large value, and highs and lows, range trading, and the likes. So custodian is the first stock on my radar for today's trading session. Why the stock gained 9.94% to close at 44 naira 75 kobo. Last 4-5 days or so prior to now, stock had been trading flat. So the question I might ask is this a mini breakout? Is it going to trade within range? Is it going to stay flat? And let's see how trading will shape today for this stock. E-Transact, last week's bull run seems to have some wind left. Last week, the stock gained a bit over 45%. Yesterday, the stock gained 9.45%. So it seems that this stock is probably up by over 50% in the last 6 or 7 trading sessions. Will this continue today? Where is this stock going to end today's trading session? Regency Alliance Insurance stock for yesterday. My expectation was the stock was going to push higher, maybe break or hit its 52-week high. But it reversed yesterday. It could be a case of people taking profit. I mean, if you're up by over 20% in the stock, it's possible that you may decide to take profit. So it's not surprising to see that as well. I think this stock will still continue to trade large volumes now. People may be positioning in expectation of the qualification date for the bonus issue. The firm will be issuing one new share for every 3 shares held as at October 10, 2025. NLCell Tech still trading unusually large volumes. 32.4 million shares were traded yesterday. I think this is probably retail because the stock is fairly cheap and all that. But let's see how it goes. Is it going to continue to trade large volumes or is it going to taper out? And that's pretty much about it. For the rest of the day, 12:30 p.m. West African time, you have the media update on YouTube. 7 p.m. your daily market summary on Spotify. 8 p.m. the daily market summary on YouTube. And 10 p.m. West African time, the daily market summary on Twitter at Green Ticker Tail. Any questions, you can drop in the comment section, or you can send an email to info@greentickertail.com, or you can tweet at me or tweet at the Green Ticker Tail team, whichever is convenient for you. For more content, check out the podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube Music. You have all the links in my bio on YouTube. You can also check out the greentickertails.com website. So thank you for joining and have yourselves a lovely day ahead.